We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hi friends, in this tutorial I will be showing how to adjust pivot points in 3ds Max. The pivot point is the spot on which a rotation takes place or base point for scaling the objects. All objects have a pivot point. We can say the pivot point, local center of an object or geometric center of object. You can display and adjust the position and orientation of the object pivot point at any time using the pivot functions in the hierarchy command panel. First, we select the object. Then turn on pivot button, which comes under hierarchy panel. Next, turn on Affect Pivot Only option from Adjust the Pivot subheading. In this option, transform affects only the pivot point of the selected object. After that, turn off the option Affect Pivot Only. After these steps, you can move or rotate the pivot using corresponding transforming tools. Thanks for your supporting. Please share and subscribe our channel.